that this wasn't for anything. These girls have a future. They deserve to have a future. They all want to go to college. They will not be able to do that if they remain in Afghanistan.
Now, some will watch this, Kim, and say, well, why Canada? It's a big world. Lots of people participated in the nation building efforts, the democratization efforts of Afghanistan. Why Canada?
Well, Canada has just been extremely kind to the Afghan girls robotics team, and it's really with the government supporting them. Frankly, when they got into evidence control, that was a huge, life-changing experience for them. They came to Canada, they competed in Canada, and actually they won the competition and they won the Rookie Star Award when they came there. And it was a category robotics competition, and so they won the Olympics Games and they won the gold medal. To get them well into development with their robotics team, their AI trained, and they believe that Canada will be a great place to continue to basically have a future.
Kim, just before I say you're also meeting with girls in Kabul. This is about ones at the base of the Falcon 7.
Haydi. Haydi. Haydi, haydi.
But I think unfortunately it doesn't look great. I'm hoping for change soon.
Haydi.
80,000 girls in Afghanistan prepared to challenge and take over 7 million girls, including those with the Afghan Girls Robotics team, will now be
Haydi,
forced
haydi,
to
haydi.
participate
Haydi,
in
ay, ay.
Afghanistan
Atakay
robotics.
ni ay, ay. Atakay ng paa.
We can
Haydi,
stop
haydi,
this.
haydi.
We can stop this. If we
Haydi,
work
haydi,
together,
haydi, ay, ay.
we can stop this. We
Hmm.
can stop this. If we work together,
Ay,
if
ay
we
ko.
work together,
Haydi, haydi, ay, ay ko. Haydi, haydi, ay, ay. 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 Haydi, haydi, ay, ay.
Minister Trudeau,
Haydi, haydi, ay, ay.
needed to save these girls.
Ay, ay ko. Haydi, haydi.
And he
Haydi,
mentioned
haydi. Ay, ay, ay. Haydi, haydi. Hmm. Haydi, haydi, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Haydi, haydi.
Decisions watching this, and here's your update.
Haydi, haydi, ay, ay.
thank you, Madam.
See you later.
Haydi, haydi. Ay, ay, ay. Hmm. Haydi, haydi. Ay, ay, ay. Haydi, haydi. Ay, ay, ay. Haydi, haydi. Ay, ay, ay. Hmm. Hmm. Haydi, haydi, ay, ay. Haydi, 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 ay, ay. Ito yung siya sa kulungan niya. Oh. Haydi, haydi, ay, ay. Haydi, haydi, ay, ay. Oy, di, ay, ay. Oy, di, ay,